How to stop Snapchat from showing your location to others. Well, in order to stop Snapchat from showing your location to others, you can enable the ghost mode or you can remove the location access for the app itself. Now, if you want to enable ghost mode, you can simply open up Snapchat. It is a built-in feature. Once you open up Snapchat, you want to tap on the profile icon here. Now you can head into profile and then head into location, right? But you can also find this snap map, the location icon towards the bottom left corner. You want to tap on it and then tap on settings at the bottom right, towards the bottom right here. So once you tap on settings, the location settings, as you can see your emoji here, and below it you should be able to find your settings. Here you can enable ghost mode to turn off your location. Now you can also head over to settings, as I mentioned earlier. Now this way, head over to your device settings. Under the settings, you want to head into apps. Once you head into apps, the next step is to head over here to Snapchat application. Once you head over to Snapchat, you should be able to find the permissions for location. So you can say I've allowed it. I can set it to never as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.